Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today's video, I'm doing my January favorites and my hits and misses just to update you guys on the new products that I tried out this month and what I think about them now that it's been a few weeks and I've been able to give all of them a try. So yeah, let's just get started. So first I'm going to start off with foundation. The foundation I've been wearing most of the month is the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I really do like it. My only issue is that it does crease up a little bit around my forehead, like in my fine lines. That's my only issue, so I feel like I need a better primer. The color was a little bit off for me. I'm actually wearing it today, and it does look pretty nice. I started mixing it with the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition, the white foundation, so I've just been mixing these two. I actually really like them. I don't feel like this messes with the formula of the foundation too much, so that's great. But yeah, I really like this. It's a really nice full coverage foundation. My only issue is it creasing up, which I typically have that issue with a lot of full coverage foundations. It just looks like a little bit cakey up on my forehead, but I just feel like I need a better primer. The primer I'm wearing today is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer primer that I got in my BoxyCharm. I did like this primer, but I do not feel like it's probably worth the money. I don't know. It just doesn't seem to do anything special for me. I don't know. It doesn't seem that luminizing, and it just kind of smooths everything out a little bit, but nothing that I haven't found in like a drugstore primer. So I think this might be a miss for me. It's just, I don't know. I didn't find anything special about it, which is too bad. I don't know. After using this a lot, I think that there are better drugstores, so I just don't think it's worth it. Another thing I've been using this month is the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I've actually really been loving this product. I feel like it gives me like a little bit of dew to the skin. It says it's their youthful preserving mist, and I love that it has hyaluronic acid and black oat in it, so there's some skincare properties in this one. So this was definitely a hit for me. I actually am wearing it on my face today. I just put it over my foundation. Sometimes I'll spray it before and then afterwards. Just another primer I've actually really been liking is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. It's the e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer. It has a universal tint to it. I really do love this primer. I've actually worn it a couple times all on its own for those no makeup days. If you guys want to see me do a video on that, just let me know in the comments down below and I will, because I really do like this for that, and I think it's going to be really useful during the summer, especially with the SPF. I can just carry it around with me and reapply it throughout the day, so that's one of my favorites. I've worn it alone and under foundation, and I really think it looks great on the skin, and it does blend out to my skin tone, and my makeup sits well on top of it, so yeah. So another favorite I have, I don't remember if I did this the last month or not. I probably did. I'm still loving the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush palette. I'm just loving these shades. I think they're gorgeous. They blend well on top of all my makeup. It's just like gives me a nice subtle sheen and a little hint of a color to my cheeks, so I really love that. Another blush that I've been going back to is my Tarte blush in the shade Party. I love this shade. I think it's so gorgeous. My stippling brush fits perfectly right inside of it, and I'm just obsessed. I think it's like a really natural pinky tone to your cheeks, so I love that blush. So for bronzer, I've been going back to an old favorite, which is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I don't think I'm ever not going to love this stuff. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it looks so nice on the skin, and I love the smell of the coconuts, honestly. I think I'm really just missing summer. I'm so over this winter already because I'm like loving all these summer products. I'm already getting excited for it and trying to figure out what makeup I should have during that time. So I have two brow products to share with you guys. Honestly, I don't really think they're all that different, but I feel like one is cheaper than the other. My favorite eyebrow pencil is the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. I absolutely love this brow pencil. I think the tip is amazing. I think it's really easy to do my eyebrows. It's got the spoolie on the other end. The formula is just great. I love this, and it's like so inexpensive. So I'm really glad that I found this because it's a lot cheaper than the Benefit brow pencil that I was using. Another brow product I got was in our BoxyCharm, and it was the IT Brow Power. Now, I just don't find anything too different from these two. Like, I just don't feel like I want to spend my money on this, but it does work great. And I do like how the tip is as well, because it's not like a really small, like, weird circle, you know. It's where I like it to have that angle so it's easy to recreate brow hairs. For lips, I've been loving the Dream Team kit that I got from ColourPop. You know, Kathleen Lights collabed with them to make these 3 beautiful shades. There's the 2 satins and then the lip gloss. The lip gloss is actually what I'm wearing today. I love this lip gloss so much because it's like not too tacky or sticky feeling on your lips. I can't stand lip glosses that are like that. So it's perfect. I've actually just had to pull it out of my purse to even show it to you guys because it pretty much never leaves my purse. I want it on me at all times. And yeah, I love their satin formula, and these shades are really beautiful. I actually want to do like a Valentine's Day look or something with this one probably. Actually, both of them would be really great for next month. So I definitely want to create some looks that look really good with these 2 colors because I really do love them. The next thing I got was the ColourPop Cream Gel Eyeliner in Mr. Bing that Kathleen Lights collabed with them on. I love this color. Surprisingly, I'm not actually wearing it today. I might add it before I leave the house. It's just like a warm brown shade. I feel like it looks really good on my eyes. I've been loving the Purr Bronze and Brighten palette that we got in our BoxyCharms. These are the 3 shades. It's got the bronzer, the highlight, and the blush. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm actually wearing the highlight on my cheeks today, and I did it kind of subtle because it can be a really strong highlight. Pretty much the highlighter I have worn like every day this month. When I wasn't going for too subtle of a look. I did go really light-handed with it today, and I don't think it's that dramatic where you can't wear it on a daily basis, but I'm obsessed with highlighter, so... Okay, so anyways, another new product I tried was the NYX Glitter Primer. I love this primer. I've used it a couple of times with a couple different palettes. It makes my eyeshadows so much more pigmented. I don't need to wet my brush or anything, which is amazing because I was looking for an alternative to that. I do not like to spray my brush. I just feel like it messes with the shadow in the palette if you spray it before and if you spray it after. I don't know. That trick just never works well for me, but this really works. So I love this. It also keeps my eyeshadow on my lids all day. I had a problem with my eyeshadows kind of fading throughout the day, so I'm really happy that it doesn't do that. 2 of the palettes I've been using this month is the Glams Meadow Crown Pro. I just love the colors in this palette. I think it's really gorgeous. I think it has a really nice mirror to it, and obviously I can't do a full look with it because it's all like shimmer shades, but I really do like the shimmer shades that come in it. Obviously, you guys know what my favorite eyeshadow palette's going to be, which is the Dream Street palette that Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collabed with. I mean, I'm just obsessed. I love all of these shades. I just love this eyeshadow palette. I've pretty much been using it like every day because it's so wonderful to use like some of these shades for just like an everyday shade, and I really love this with that NYX primer. Looks absolutely amazing. It was actually my first time using ColourPop's pressed eyeshadows, and I am so happy. I mean, I'm probably going to buy a lot more palettes from them or their single pressed eyeshadows because the colors are so pigmented and it's so inexpensive. I couldn't believe it. I think I actually purchased this palette for like $16 at the time. I know there was a sale on one of the things I purchased, and I can't remember if it was the lip kit or the eyeshadow palette, but ColourPop is really inexpensive, and then they also have deals going all the time. I get emailed about their deals going on and try to make my purchases according to that. And one new purchase I made was the Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. This is what the bottle looks like. I am not impressed. This was a miss for me. I actually have their face mist, so I was really disappointed because I thought that it would be really nice. The face mist is really refreshing. I used to use it to set my makeup a little bit, but this gel cleanser, I only used it for a couple of days, and I was so upset because my skin had like just cleared up and it was looking really nice. And then I used this for a couple of days and my skin broke out. Like, I started getting pimples everywhere again. I just had a horrible breakout from it. And when I went to Ulta's website and looked at the reviews, there was actually quite a few people who had this. So I guess it just depends on your skin, but I have really sensitive and dry skin, and this just did not work for me. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is Hask shampoo and conditioner with argan oil. So these are the 2 products right here. I actually showed them when I brought you guys with me shopping, and I went to go visit my friend at work and I picked these up. I just got my hair cut and I've been trying to take better care of my hair. I just felt like it was really extremely dry and it was just very unhealthy and dead. So I got a cut, and I also purchased these two things, and I really love it. I don't really care for the smell too much. It does have a very citrusy smell, and I more prefer that for like my facial stuff. Like I have a moisturizer that smells citrusy, and I've had a face wash that smells like citrus, but I don't really want my hair to smell like it. I don't really notice it after I'm using heat protectors and I'm using the anti-frizz and all that stuff. You don't really smell it afterwards, but I'm not a fan of the smell, but it definitely is making my hair a lot smoother. It feels so much healthier, so I'm really loving these products. So yeah guys, that's it for my January favorites video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I actually didn't have that many misses this month. I feel like a lot of the products really did work out for me. So yeah, if there's anything you guys want me to test out in February and let you know my thoughts on, just let me know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.